What in the heck is going on? I don't understand this. I'm ready to go shopping. Joanne, what are you doing?
Getting ready to go mine exploring. Isn't
No.
that what we're doing?
No, we're not. We're going shopping. The doctor wants you walking.
Well, I can walk out there.
No, I'm going shopping. Put it away. You go shopping with me. Come on, let's go. Gotta do it.
Hey guys, it might be a little melodramatic, but it's not clickbait. Let me tell you why. 2021 picked up right where 2020 left off. In early January, I was working in the yard and I ended up rupturing a disc in my back. It put me down, couldn't work, couldn't do anything. Ended up requiring surgery. I've had the surgery and I'm in the healing process right now. That said, it's going to be a couple months before I'm going to be able to do much. So in the meantime, I've got some video archived. I've got some other ideas, maybe some gear videos, talk about the equipment we use when we're underground, helmets, lights, rappelling gear, all the stuff that we use. That might be interesting. I've also got some videos I want to put together for outdoor cooking because I know we're all outdoors people and you might want to learn how to do some Dutch oven cooking and some campfire cooking, stuff like that. Anyway, lots of good stuff coming up and we'd like you to stick around and enjoy it. So anyway, thanks a lot.